We are back out on another wild camp, somewhere a bit different today. We are on the coast. Some people may recognise that, but yeah. However, I'm not on my own tonight. I've got a friend somewhere. He's down there, just cooking tea, got some burgers on the go. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to waffle tonight because I'm with a friend, but look at this. Absolutely stunning. Centre. Well, good morning. It's 27. I've not been up long. Just been out to the loo, and I didn't do much filming last night. Just chilled out, a couple of beers, a couple of burgers, and yeah, it's been quite an enjoyable night. So I'll show you some scenery in a bit. But I'm in my new tent. Got myself the old Lan Shan 2. So yeah, it's quite a good tent. Had a little bit of rain in the night, and too special, but I'll bring you back in a bit. Spurn Point is Yorkshire's very own Land's End. It's an iconic and constantly moving peninsula which curves between the North Sea and the River Humber estuary. At over 3 miles long but as little as 15 metres wide, this landscape is unique and ever-changing. Spurn has an extensive human history, leaving a legacy of fascinating but derelict buildings and hidden structures. But Spurn remains, will always be, an utterly wild place. Always at the mercy of the elements. Not 2 days at Spurn are ever the same. Some old bunkers. Oh, it's cold down here. Little bird nest over there. Might have to do a camp in here. whatsoever. That's us now packed up, going to be heading off. Not done much filming today, or last night really, but it's been really enjoyable. I'm just looking, the weather is absolutely crap. The rain's just starting to come in, but if you look over there, you've got Wimsby, Cleethorpes. It's the Spurn Point Lighthouse in the background. But yeah, it's been really good. Really enjoyed it.